Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we are back in the bedroom, and if you follow the channel, then I know you know a couple of months ago, maybe a year or so ago now, I already made over the bedroom, but it's time to do it again. And it all started because we needed a new mattress. So let's get into it. So me and my husband have really been on the hunt for a new mattress. As we get older, y'all know we've been waking up and backs have been hurting and all these different type of things. So we are looking to get a better sleep. And when we went searching for a new mattress, we said, okay, new mattress. We also felt like the room needed an update as well. So that is how we got here today, redoing the room again. But before we get into the makeover, I want to shout out to today's sponsor, Helix Mattress, who came through for us with a brand new mattress so we can get better sleep.
Y'all, Antonio and I have definitely been feeling the effects of being in our mid and late 40s because why have we been waking up sore every morning? For about a year now, we've been searching for a new mattress because our old one just wasn't supporting us anymore. We both started noticing neck pain, back pain, and honestly, we just weren't sleeping well. We realized our mattress was way too soft, and at this stage in life, we need support that actually keeps our spine and neck aligned while we sleep. So we decided to try the Helix Midnight Luxe mattress, and after literally the first night, we both woke up feeling a difference. Antonio said he slept like a rock. One thing we immediately noticed was how supportive and stable the mattress is. So even when I'm over here moving around, bouncing, or getting comfortable, Antonio barely feels it. The Helix Midnight Luxe is designed for side sleepers and has its own lumbar support to help relieve everyday aches and pains, which honestly explains why we woke up feeling so much better. And it still feels luxurious too. It has that soft hotel feel, but the support our bodies clearly needed. If you've been waking up sore or struggling to find the right mattress, I definitely recommend checking out Helix. They also give a 120-night trial so you can really test it out at home.
In today's world of AI, you do not necessarily need interior designers anymore. So what I did with this space, I took a picture of my bedroom and I asked ChatGPT to give me some subtle changes that would make my bedroom pop. One of the things that I noticed by the eye was that it needed a little bit of something, like the color was a little off, and ChatGPT did exactly that for me. So it made up this rendering and told me some small changes that I could make, and I could not agree more. The rendering just looked much better than what we had. It also explained to me the colors and the tones in the room that would work better with the color furniture that we had. So again, y'all, use AI to your advantage. If you need to decorate, take a picture of the room, upload it to ChatGPT and ask it to help you out. All right, so this is going to be another one of those makeovers where it's just simple changes are going to make a big difference. So this is our bedroom now. The only thing that we've done so far is take down the molding that I had on the wall, and you can see where it was. I had that up for many years, and it was just something that I did over the weekend just to give the wall some pop. But now I decided to change that molding out. So what we're going to be doing first is painting an accent wall, and then we're just going to make a few subtle changes on the nightstand and with the lighting, and that is going to make the biggest difference in this room. So I will tell y'all right now, it is 7 p.m. So it might get a little dark, but we're going to go ahead and paint the accent wall today. And then I already know that in the morning, I'm going to be finishing up, putting up all the rest of the fixtures. All right, made a run to Lowe's to get some wood. So this is the wood that we're going to be using for the wall paneling, the decorative wall. And I'll tell y'all exactly what these are in just 1 second. Let me get to the register to make sure the size, just in case any of y'all are interested in doing this type of wall design. Whoa. You just watching me struggle, you wasn't gonna help me. It is a 1.5 inch by 8 foot primed pine lattice molding. primed is important because then you don't have to prime it again. You can go straight on that with your paint. So you see that it's white. Some of them just come like wood color, but you want the primed. All right, we're back from Lowe's, and before we put these slats on the wall, we are going ahead and painting them and then let them dry. All right, so now the fun part of getting the slats on the wall. Now, I know I'm somewhat of a professional, but when it comes to doing stuff in my house, y'all, look, I'm not gonna measure anything. I'm just gonna do it by eye. I do a lot of stuff by eye, actually. So as far as the spacing of the slats and all of that, now I will use something. Y'all see, I just grabbed the outlet cover. I'm going to use this outlet cover as my spacer as far as how far I want to put my first slat off of the wall. I mean, y'all, I just be over here doing stuff. All right, and here's what I mean. So I have my outlet cover. I'm going to put it here, and then we're going to put our first slat right up against that. Hold other place for this one. Let me bring y'all in so y'all can see that. Y'all see that? And then that's just where I'm going to nail my first slat. And that's what we're going to do on the other side to get the first slats even. Nothing special. Good job. Good job. All right, so in order to make sure that the rest of our slats are going to be in a good position and line up with our furniture, we are going to have to push the bed back. So, ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah! My back. You laughing? I'm serious. All right, y'all, so here's the beginning of the design. We had to push the furniture back in place so that I could make sure that the slats are in place where we want them. And this is the beginning of it. Since we did this side, now we know exactly what we're gonna do on the opposite side. So basically what we did was make a frame because there's gonna be a light fixture here in between there and then just some extra slats. So we're going to go ahead and finish the other side, and then I'll show you what else we're going to do at the top. All right, so we got that up. We have the trim up there. Like I told y'all, we're going to run some lights behind that, but that is what the design is going to look like. Good morning. So when I opened my eyes this morning, the first thing that I did was look up at the wall and I said, the color is wrong. It is not right. It is not right at all. So my design for this room was supposed to be really luxury, feel more softer tones. And this is not giving that. It is coming off a very yellow undertone, muddy, greeny, and that is not the look I was going for at all. And sometimes that just happens with paint, you guys. Once it settles and really dries all the way, the real color will definitely come out. To make sure that I was thinking correctly, I did take a picture. I put it in ChatGPT and it told me exactly that it is too harsh. It is definitely giving yellow and I wanted to go with something of more of a gray undertone to soften it down. So it gave me some color suggestions. So I'm about to head to Sherwin-Williams and pick out a new paint color. And I'll tell y'all what the paint color is, but I won't take y'all through the whole repainting that I'm going to do today. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. We're repainting the wall. All right, y'all, it's a couple hours later. I am done painting and yes, 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 yes. This looks so much better. So let me tell y'all the color. Y'all can see it's much more cooler, toned down. It's giving gray. Let me cut this light off. You can see it there. Let me get closer to, oh, sorry. Yeah, y'all can definitely see it's more gray. It was close to the color that was up there, but it is definitely less muddy, less yellow tone. This is definitely a cooler tone, which even makes the wood on the bed pop more. I am so happy I painted it. It only took me about an hour to go over and paint it. But yeah, so glad that I did. So let me get y'all the color. But the color is Keystone Gray by Sherwin-Williams, and I got it in Duration Flat. I got a flat paint, and let me explain to you guys. If you don't have very really smooth walls, if you have a lot of maybe bumps and grooves in the wall, which I had because I had the previous molding up there, you want to use a flat, because a flat paint will hide imperfections on the wall really good. Where if you do anything with a shine, all the little bumps, you're going to be able to see them. So you definitely want to go flat if you have unsmooth walls. But yeah, we use Duration. This is a really good product that Sherwin-Williams carries. It covers very well. That what you saw was only one coat. That was what I wanted. Yeah, and super happy. So again, the color that we loved, Keystone Gray. Keystone Gray. Home stretch, y'all. Very last thing, we're going to be changing out our ceiling fan finally. And if y'all already know, I've changed out most of the lights in the house already. So this is one of the last ones to upgrade. So we're about to upgrade this, and hopefully it'll make a big difference. Ceiling fan looks good. However, the only thing that I don't like about this, all of these are individual, and I literally have to come in here and set these in one by one. So this is going to take a little while. But other than that, it's a really nice chandelier. It also has a fan to it. And the fan looks really small, but it is really powerful. We were actually pretty surprised at how much air it kicks out. All right, y'all, we did it. We let ChatGPT design our bedroom. What do you think? Will you try it? I'm telling you, it is definitely worth a try. Sometimes we think that we can get it all right, but hey, AI is beneficial for something. It can definitely give you some ideas and more insight on the design that you're looking to accomplish. One thing that I did struggle with this room for so long was trying to find the exact color that was going to make this room feel luxe. I tried so many different colors on that back wall, and I think we finally got it right at this time. So AI is definitely good for something. It was able to explain to me better of the undertone that I needed to go for. Definitely more cool than warm, which makes the room feel more intimate, more luxe. And then of course we did go with a soft, warm light for nighttime. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, thank you so much to Helix Mattress for sponsoring us. The sleep has been amazing. I cannot wait for more sleeps. If you guys are getting older and your body is aching when you get up, check your mattress. You probably need a new mattress. All right. All right. Thank y'all so much. I'll see y'all on the next one.